today is Saturday. We are having some of my fiance's family over tomorrow. My house is normally free of clutter and everything gets put away for the most part, but I did want to do like a quick little clean, and then a little bit of things are out of place, so I'm gonna do that and then do some laundry. Let's just start with laundry because that's what takes the longest. We'll clean up some of the blankets, we'll wash them fresh. This is comfy while we wait.
We're gonna increase the time to 5 minutes and we're gonna up the heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Stop at a hotel, you can take a train from Cusco.
I was outside in the patio, but it's really hot. I think it says it's 82 degrees on my watch, but I don't know if it's based off of San Diego, but it's way too hot. So I'm back here now. I want to do a little voiceover for my last video and just keep editing. My fiance told me that his family is no longer coming. Something came up, so they can't come. They are in Orange County, so it's a big trip over. But I am pretty much done with the cleaning that I wanted to do. I didn't want to do the floors because I just did them Wednesday and I vacuumed. So for now, I'm gonna focus on editing, but we already ate hot dogs and it's 5:20 8:23, so if anything, we'll probably just have a snack later. But for now, I'm gonna focus on this, and then I'll catch you guys later. Sourdough bread pizzas. Second day in a row. Do it. Just like yesterday, I liked watermelon and pineapple drink, and then I spiked it with some Don Julio. And so I tried to freeze these a little. I don't think it did much, but I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna put a little bit of the pineapple juice and little maple syrup to sweeten it. I actually have some oranges. I'm just gonna toss that in too. These oranges are really sweet. I have apples too, but those might be a little bit too thick. Okay, let's try it. This one's really good. You're gonna like it. No, not yet, not yet.
I'd like to try it. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Try it. How yummy is it?
Yeah.
This is our pizza. I'm sure it's gonna be crunchy like it was yesterday. And now I mixed my alcohol in mine.
Look at mine.
You want me to try?
Yep, I got it right.
Oh, okay. I'm getting ice for us. First bite. Let me show the cupping on yours. The pepperoni is cupping. I don't know if you can see that. 7:55, still doing laundry, which is the folding part now. I think I don't have any more laundry, but maybe we'll watch something, then wind down for the day.